Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope everything is well at your end. Thank you for sharing your time with me today. My name is Djohanna and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we are going to unbox this package. They say this is the holy grail of fertilizer, and this is very effective daw sa mga variegated na plants. So, I bought this one kasi meron akong variegated na burley marks and parang nag-re-revert siya. So, I decided na I needed this one. This one is galing sa Kidapawan. That's just siguro mga 2 hours drive away from our place. Kaya lang, mahirap mag-travel ngayon. So, I just ordered it online. Nakita ko lang ito sa isang Facebook account and maraming magagandang review tungkol dito. So, this is it, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanyang laman. By the way, ililive ko yung link nito sa description box below if interesado kayo. If meron kayong mga variegated na plant na gusto ninyong lagyan ng fertilizer para ma-maintain yung kanilang mga variegations. Guys, meron siyang palibreng sabon, guys. Pampaputi ba i-touch? Charot. Charot lang, guys. So, ito ang kanyang laman, guys. This is organic and homemade na fertilizer. And then, yung package na binili ko is merong fungicide and merong growth hormones. So, ayan guys. Kaya lang, wala siyang dalang instructions kung paano siya gagamitin. Pero, ang sabi naman nung may-ari nito at saka gumawa nito, nag-formulate nito is i-add niya ako sa isang group chat and then magsasend siya sa Messenger. So, eto siya. Ang laman nito guys is this one. This green one is the organic fungicide. Sabi doon sa message sa akin, this is good for 5 usage ba yun? I'm not sure. I have to go back in there and read it again. So, meron siyang this one organic na fungicide. And this one is the growth hormones. And this one is the organic fertilizer na 2 pots. And may palibreng sabon. Thank you so much. Ililive ko yung Facebook account nito sa description box below. And yes, if gusto ninyo, you can buy one. So, i-message ko muna yung binilhan ko nito kung paano gagamitin. And then, I will try to film, guys, kung pag nakuha ko na yung instruction, paano gagamitin. And I will film it. Tapos, yeah, I will show it to you. I hope okay lang dun sa may-ari nito. I don't know, but maybe I should, yeah, on how to use it. I will film how to use it. So, that's it. So, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell para ma-update kayo if meron ako mga incoming na bagong videos. Thank you for watching. Bye! Mwah!